Alright guys, so this is a video request for a 6013 welder, and he asked about my little rod holder here, and he wanted me to make a video on how I made it, and I don't really have any extra scraps to make another one, but I can just kind of do a little detailed thing on there. First off, this is just made out of some really thin pipe. It's like an inch, so you could go wider. I would, personally, because it doesn't hold a lot of electrodes, but it's good because they're there when you need them. But this is a small piece of angle iron that is like about an inch wide, and it's like 1/8 inch thick. And then I just took a piece of 1/8 inch and then cut it into a square, and then I rounded it off with a grinder, and then put it right here and just welded it. And this is all oxy-fuel welded. And basically all this stuff right here is just garbage pig junk. I was walking around one day and I saw someone was throwing out a bunch of metal, so I went and grabbed it. But he was throwing away little pieces of angle iron like this, and a bunch of little 1/8 inch pieces of plate like that. So obviously this one's a little different, but I had a couple like that. But so there's like this, and you just weld it on there. You can probably see a little bit. There's a little bit of an angle, so it's angling out. That's really just because I wanted to. I just tacked it right here. Then I held it up against here and bent it a little bit, kind of felt it. But obviously this doesn't have to be oxy-fuel welded. You can MIG it or TIG it. You can do whatever you want. It really doesn't even matter. You can braze it. I just oxy-fueled it just because it's fun and it's easy. So that's basically it. Obviously I don't really have electrodes on hand, but filler right here. Another thing, a good thing to make is what I like to do is see my fillers are I arc them over like that, because what you can do is take a piece of plate like this and you can screw it to the side of your thing right here, and then take a piece of metal and go for even 3/16 stuff, and you can weld it across so it like extends out, and there's a bar there that you can hang your filler on. So it's just picture this being the bar that's sticking out. You can hang your filler like that on there. So that's good if you have long stuff. And I'll probably make one of those on the other side of my table where my torch is. So it helps a lot. But there's my little video request, and hope that helped you a little bit.